What if I told you this chocolate bar weighs thousands of kilograms? Its journey starts in rainforests, hidden inside colorful pods. Witness every step, from machines to flowing chocolate, for the spectacular result.
A single chocolate bar weighed more than a car. Welcome to the journey of how the world's largest chocolate bar is made. A true masterpiece. Every extraordinary chocolate bar begins with something surprisingly small. A cocoa bean hidden inside a colorful tropical fruit. These remarkable trees grow only in warm tropical climates, where rich soil and gentle rainfall create the perfect conditions for cocoa to thrive. Deep within the rainforest, cocoa grows. These pods emerge directly from the trunk. It takes months to reach this perfect ripeness. Only the ripest cocoa pods are carefully selected. Every perfect pod holds fresh cocoa beans, ready for an incredible journey. Each ripe pod contains dozens of precious cocoa beans. Every pod is carefully opened by hand, revealing rows of fresh beans that will become chocolate. Thousands of cocoa beans are collected every single day, preparing for one of the most important transformations in chocolate making. Deep within the pod lies the secret to chocolate. Fresh cocoa beans, coated in a sweet, rich pulp. The journey of chocolate begins here, deep within the massive wooden sweatboxes. For 6 days, these beans will undergo a dramatic transition, unlocking the rich, complex flavors we all love.
Fresh cocoa beans are carefully transferred into large wooden fermentation boxes. These specially designed containers allow heat and natural organisms to begin transforming the beans.
Within just a few hours, natural fermentation begins. Microorganisms feed on the sweet fruit pulp, surrounding each bean, creating heat that slowly changes the bean's chemistry from the inside out. As fermentation continues, temperatures inside the cocoa mass can rise above 50 degrees Celsius. This natural heat destroys bitterness while unlocking hundreds of future chocolate flavor compounds. Skilled workers regularly turn the beans to introduce oxygen and ensure every batch ferments evenly. This careful attention creates a balanced flavor.
After several days, the beans have transformed dramatically. Their color darkens, their aroma becomes richer, and the unmistakable foundation of chocolate begins to emerge. The fermented beans are spread across enormous drying patios. Over the next several days, moisture slowly evaporates. Workers gently rake the beans throughout the day to ensure even drying. Every movement helps preserve quality while preventing mold and unwanted moisture.
Before leaving the drying yard, every batch is carefully tested. Only beans with the perfect moisture level are approved for chocolate production.
Once approved, the dried beans are packed into durable transport sacks, protecting them during their journey to the chocolate factory. Heavy-duty forklifts and skilled workers load thousands of kilograms of cocoa beans. They are preparing them for transportation. Destination: one of the world's most advanced chocolate factories.
After a long journey, the cocoa beans finally arrive at a state-of-the-art chocolate factory, where advanced technology takes over the next stage of production.
Inside the factory, every batch is digitally registered, inspected, and prepared for cleaning before the remarkable transformation into premium chocolate officially begins.
The journey continues as cocoa beans enter the factory through a high-capacity intake system. Every batch is carefully measured before processing begins.
The beans are transferred into a vibrating feeder. This ensures a steady and controlled flow into the cleaning system. Inside the cleaning drum, dust, leaves, and unwanted particles are removed, ensuring only pure cocoa beans continue forward. Powerful magnetic separators remove any metallic impurities. This affects the quality of the final chocolate. A destoner system separates heavy stones and foreign materials, ensuring only clean cocoa beans proceed further. High-pressure air systems remove fine dust particles. preparing the beans for roasting. Advanced optical sensors scan each bean, separating defective ones with precision accuracy. Now the beans enter the roasting drum, where controlled heat begins developing the deep chocolate aroma.
Precision temperature systems ensure every batch is roasted evenly for perfect flavor consistency.
After roasting, the beans are rapidly cooled to preserve their rich flavor profile. A powerful cracking machine breaks the roasted beans, separating the outer shell from the valuable cocoa nibs. Roasted cocoa nibs are fed into powerful industrial grinders. Under enormous pressure, they release their natural cocoa butter, transforming into a smooth, rich cocoa liquor. The thick cocoa liquor flows through polished stainless steel pipelines, carrying the intense aroma and flavor that will define every chocolate bar. Inside enormous mixing tanks, giant rotating blades slowly blend every ingredient into a rich and perfectly balanced chocolate mixture. The chocolate passes through a precision 5-roller refiner, reducing every tiny particle until the texture becomes unbelievably smooth.
The refined chocolate now enters the conching machine, where it is continuously mixed for many hours to remove unwanted acidity and create an incredibly smooth flavor.
During conching, friction and gentle heat unlock the chocolate's delicate aroma, while creating its famous silky mouthfeel. Expert technicians carefully test the chocolate's texture, aroma, and consistency before allowing it to continue to the next stage. The chocolate is tempered through precisely controlled heating and cooling cycles, creating the beautiful shine and satisfying snap found in premium chocolate. Now perfectly tempered, the liquid chocolate is smooth, glossy, and ready to be transformed into enormous chocolate bars. Massive stainless steel molds move into position as thousands of liters of chocolate prepare to fill them. Powerful depositors pour warm, liquid chocolate. They use incredible precision. The world's largest chocolate bar takes shape. Before the chocolate can harden, every mold passes over powerful vibration tables. Tiny air bubbles rise to the surface, creating a perfectly smooth and flawless finish.
Precision leveling systems gently spread the chocolate across the enormous molds, ensuring every corner is filled with perfect consistency.
The filled molds slowly enter a temperature-controlled cooling tunnel, where the transformation from liquid chocolate to a solid masterpiece begins.
Inside the tunnel, carefully controlled air gradually cools the chocolate. This slow process preserves its silky texture and brilliant glossy finish.
Minute by minute, the chocolate becomes firmer, until each enormous bar reaches the perfect crystal structure. Powerful hydraulic systems gently lift the giant chocolate bars from their molds without damaging a single edge. For the first time, the enormous chocolate bar is fully revealed, perfectly smooth, beautifully glossy, and crafted with extraordinary precision. Advanced vision systems inspect every surface, searching for even the smallest imperfection before packaging begins. Some premium chocolate bars receive elegant embossed patterns. Decorative finishing touches make each bar truly unique. The finished chocolate is wrapped in premium protective foil, preserving its freshness while giving it a luxurious presentation. Elegant robotic packaging systems carefully place the giant chocolate bars. They go into premium presentation boxes, ready for customers around the world. After an extraordinary journey, from tropical cocoa forest to masterpiece of nature, engineering, and craftsmanship. From the heart of the tropics comes the source of pure indulgence, mastered by time and fire to create the ultimate premium chocolate experience.